Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Ask Mia. And today we found this really strange bird. You guys have to comment down below what this bird is. So please stay tuned till the end of the video, because at the end of the video I'll be doing the shout outs.
I think it's a goonie.
So, guys, literally, what is this bird? Look, see it now. Can you see that? It is ridiculous. Wait, you probably can't see it right now. Let's just get a bit closer because the light. Okay, look. Can you see it? It is so funny. Right now we're on holiday. Whoop, whoop. And yeah, it's like 5 o'clock in the morning. It's quite late. It's quite early at the same time. Look.
Early in the bedtime.
Look at that. That is hilarious. Guys, can you just see how it walks? It's going like... It's so funny. Look, it's doing it now.
Guys,
just watch its head. It's going
look, guys, I found these seashells.
We found some really crazy seashells. And this is just like the best holiday ever.
I'm keeping them.
She's keeping them. Look at this. Look at... Oh...
This is just a such big dog. Wait, where's that bird gone?
Where did it go? Guys, we lost the bird.
No, we haven't.
Oh, it's literally going to mainland. Can you guys see? You probably can't. It's quite far away. Look at this. This is absolutely hilarious. Can you guys see this?
Absolute hilarious.
Look at it, it's petrified. Oh guys, it's just so beautiful. And there's these ferries that you pull and they just go. Look at these mountains, guys. Look at these beautiful mountains. I bet you can't really look at the mountains because you're looking at the bird, and that's... Oh my god, guys, it's just lovely here, and I really do love it here, and I don't want to leave. We've already had 8 nights. No, we've already had 9 nights. This is our last night. No, not tonight, but the next night. I don't want to leave here. It's so nice. Guys, why are the Spanish like so friendly? Like, if you can't just go up to someone in England and say hello, but you can go up to someone in Spain and go hi, hola, and they just smile. Like, but they don't do that in England. Oh my god, cheese! Look, it's flying away. Can you see it, guys? You have to look very closely. Where did it go? Oh, it's all the way over there. Do you guys just see that land? Oh, I'm getting a hot dog in a minute, so I'm really excited. I love hot dogs. Tell them how much I love hot dogs.
100.
Do you love hot dogs too? No, she doesn't like hot dogs. Oh, look at all this seaweed, guys. Oh, here's my mum. Bye, guys. Oh, yeah, I need to do the shout out. So today's shout out is Alfie Minton. Yeah, thank you, Alfie, for all the support. Bye, guys.